Well, hi YouTube, Brian James at Micro Four Thirds guy with you in a very echoey room. I'm just about to go on stage next door, but I thought I'd share with you something that I've just seen, and I think this is wonderful. I've just seen the release photographs for the Olympus OM-5, and I've been looking forward to this since June time, May-June time, when I first announced it on this channel that it was going to be announced in July. And then it's been put back. Well, it's due to be released at the end of this month, end of October. And I've seen the new pictures of it, and I'm really impressed. It's a good old Olympus-style camera. The interesting thing is, of course, there's been lots and lots of controversy as to what it's going to be called on the camera, because the OM1 was the last of the cameras with the word Olympus on the top. Well, you'll be pleased to see that it says OMSystems. It doesn't quite have the ring of Olympus and the charm of it, but it's very descriptive, and it's right for this thing. The one thing I'm pleased about is it didn't say OMDS. I really hate the idea of the acronyms, so the idea of Olympus being on there, that was gone, but OMSystems has a little bit of a nicer ring than the OMDS. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think of the looks of the camera. I'm really looking forward to it coming out to see what the spec actually is and to see when it's what it's going to be like. I think it's going to be a great one for there, because I think the spec of it should really be good. It's got the same sensor as the OM1, so it's that stacked sensor, the 20 megapixel stacked sensor. And I think that this is going to be an affordable version for the majority of people of the OM1, with a lot of the benefits of it, and maybe not some of the whistles and bells. It's probably going to be a single SD card in it, which is fine, fair enough for the vast majority of photographers. And there'll be other little bits and pieces missing, but I think an awful lot of what's going to be in there is going to be really good and really useful. Tell us what you think, comments below, and let's look forward to its release. Till the next time, Brian James saying, see ya, keep having fun with your camera. Bye-bye. Better go, I'm on stage. Bye.